ABC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
The typical summer-like weather continued right on for Acadiana today with highs touching 94 feel-like temperatures most of the day in the triple digits, but we are tracking a rare June cool front that is going to eliminate a lot of the humidity for most of the upcoming work week and maybe even drop temperatures a few degrees. So start making those outdoor plans now, and we'll head on outside right now to see what it was out there earlier today. Amos Sterling in this beautiful shot at Girard Park. You can see those blue skies with a few of those puffy cumulus clouds dotting the sky. Otherwise, just a fantastic day to be out of the park, although a little bit on the warm and muggy side. But I do think over the coming days, some fantastic days to get out there and enjoy that sunshine as we go into our Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's a look at the satellite and radar picture. We can see those cumulus clouds working across the area today, and then this afternoon we did have one or two isolated showers try the fire up across Acadiana as they worked from north and heading down to the south. But you can see most of all that activity is now pushing out into the Gulf of Mexico. Will continue to be dry through not only the rest of this evening, but throughout much of the upcoming work week, thanks to that drier air that'll be moving in. But as mentioned, still a very hot 92 degrees on this Monday evening, and with dew points still in the 70s, feel like temperatures up around 99 degrees. So very much like summer, but thanks to this northerly flow out of the north at about 15 miles per hour, that is helping to pull down that drier air. And we can see on the dew point map, the dew points continue to be in the 70s for us across much of the Pelican State, but just up to the north you can see dew points down up around the upper 40s for Little Rock up to the north. So some very dry air, almost spring-like air to the north, and it does look like that dry air will make its way into Acadiana by about this time tomorrow. So what does that really mean as far as the dew points? So when we get those dew points up around the 70 to 75, that's when it's that very time summer oppressive heat and humidity that we like to talk about. But as that dry front begins to make its way through, it's going to drop those dew points down to around 60 and make it feel much more pleasant and comfortable to be outside the next couple of days. And you can really see that as far as our atmospheric moisture. So there's that front. As it moves through, it brings down that drier air, and as that front continues to make its way out into the Gulf of Mexico, not only for Tuesday, but you can see now move this into Wednesday, that dry air continues to be in place. So a couple nice days to get outside, at least enjoy the sunshine, as it won't be, that sweat weather that as soon as you step outside, you're starting to feel it and making it wear. And then you go into your Friday, starting to see some of that moisture return, and then you're really getting back to that summertime heat and humidity by about Saturday. But in the meantime, it does look like a couple nice days are in store for us here locally. So the front moves out into the Gulf of Mexico, taking the moisture with it. We wake up to mostly sunny skies tomorrow morning. We'll still have some low to mid-level clouds with us for our Tuesday, dotting that sunshine, but you can see very comfortable temperatures in the 80s. Similar story for our Wednesday, mostly sunny with some clouds around during the afternoon. And then we are watching another front by Wednesday afternoon, but again, that's not going to bring any moisture with it, just continue to bring the dry air down in and across Acadiana. So temperatures for this evening still going to be on the warm side. We'll go low 70s for most of Acadiana. Some outlying communities might be able to get into the upper 60s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. But there you see it, temperatures about 8 degrees cooler than where we were today, topping out around 86 degrees. And with that lower humidity, you're definitely going to notice it's going to feel much more comfortable to be outside for our Tuesday. And then by the time we head into Wednesday morning, take a look at this. Overnight lows getting down into the 60s. So feeling very much more like the early May than early June here in Acadiana. And that continues even into Wednesday with highs again in the mid 80s. But in the meantime, still going to be on the warm and muggy side tonight. Eventually, though, we will see those temperatures continue to fall and be kind of pleasant by tomorrow morning, right around 70 degrees. And then a very comfortable June day with still warm temperatures as it is June, 86 degrees. So it will still be warm to be outside, but much more manageable with that humidity remaining in check as we continue to have that northerly breeze at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Upper 80s Wednesday, back to 90 degrees, but still comfortable humidity all the way through Friday. We really don't bring the humidity back until we push into the weekend for Father's Day. With just a 20% chance for some showers. So if you have outdoor plans for Dad, doesn't look too bad for this weekend. Slightly better rain chances as we move into the following week, though. But definitely looking forward to the next couple of days to get outside and enjoy the sunshine a little bit.
Feeling like spring for sure out there. Thanks, Eric.